Hello students, this is your science teacher Aparna. We are studying chapter number 17, stars and the solar system. So in our previous video we have discussed about universe, astronomy, astronomer, sun, stars, celestial bodies, heavenly bodies, solar system, etc. So today we will continue with planets. Okay, so in our solar system, sun and their 8 planets and their satellites and thousands of asteroids, meteoroids and comets were there. So we have discussed previously and today we are continuing with planets. Okay, so what are the planets? Planets are the large celestial objects which revolve around the sun in closed elliptical paths. Okay, and for every planet there is a definite elliptical path which is known as orbits. Okay, which are known as orbits. Okay, so there are the names of 8 planets. So first one is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 8 planets, and these planets are made up of rocks, metals or gases. So mainly these are these planets consist of rocks, metals or gases. They do not have their own light. So just like stars and suns, planets do not have their own light. They reflect sunlight. Okay, they reflect sunlight that is incident on them. And now there are 8 planets. So these 8 planets are categorized in 2 categories. Okay, so these two categories are terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. Terrestrial planets and Jovian planets. So terrestrial planets are solids and are solid in nature, and they have rocky surface. So terrestrial planets have solid and rocky surface. These are close to sun. These are close to sun, and they have slow rotation. And from these 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These 4 planets are the terrestrial planets. Okay, so planets are categorized as terrestrial and Jovian planets. So total planets are 8, and from them Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, that means 4 planets are terrestrial planets. They have slow rotation in their orbit. They rotate but slowly, and they are very close to sun. Okay, so and one more thing, why these are called as terrestrial planets? Because they have solid and rocky surface. That's why these are known as terrestrial planets. Okay, then second category of planets is Jovian planets. So Jovian planets are large in size. These are large in size. Mainly they are made up of gases. So they are mainly made up of gases, and they are far from sun. Okay, they are far from sun. They have fast rotation, and they have many moons also. And when we are talking about terrestrial planets, so they have moon but not so many moons. Okay. Now, these categorized planets are terrestrial and Jovian planets, and just like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the example of terrestrial planets, so other remaining planets who are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, so these are the example of Jovian planets. Okay, so these are the example of Jovian planets. So firstly we will start with the Mercury. Okay, firstly we will start with the Mercury. So Mercury is the first planet from the sun. Okay, Mercury is the first planet from the sun, so that's why it is very close to the sun, because it is the first planet from the sun. It is also considered as the smallest planet, and it is yellowish orange in color. And to complete one revolution to the sun, it takes 88 Earth days. So how much time it takes to complete one revolution? It takes 88 Earth days to complete one revolution around the sun, and it has no moon. Okay, so Mercury has no any moon. It has no any satellite. It has no any moon. Okay, so just like our Earth has moon, but if we are talking about Mercury, so it has no moon. So now we will come to Venus. So Venus is the second planet from the sun. Venus is the second planet from the sun. If we are talking about color of the Venus, so it is silver blue in color. So it is silver blue in color. It has also no moon. Okay. So, and how much time it takes to complete one revolution? It takes 225 days to complete one revolution, and it is brightest planet. Okay, it is the brightest planet, and one more thing, it is closest planet to the earth. It is closest planet to, just like Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, so Venus is the closest planet to the earth. Okay, now we will go to Earth. So Earth is the third planet. We live in Earth. Okay. So life, it supports life. That means we are in Earth. That means it supports life. It is the third planet from the sun. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So don't be confused about rotation and revolution. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That is considered as one day. Okay, and 365 days to complete one revolution to the sun. Okay, so Earth is different from other planets. How? Because Earth has life. It supports life. It has a protective layer of ozone, which works as a layer to protect from the very harmful gases, just like chlorofluorocarbon. So and even ultraviolet rays from the sun, which is coming from the sun, so it protects us from these UV rays. Okay, the only planet that supports life is Earth. It consists of oceans, continents and atmosphere. So it supports life because it has atmosphere. Okay, and Earth has one moon. Earth has one moon, and just I told you that it has oceans, continents and atmosphere. So 71% of Earth crust is covered with water. 71% of Earth crust is covered with water. So Earth is also a terrestrial planet because it has solid and rocky surface. So Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, these are the terrestrial planets. So Earth is one of them, and it is the third planet from the sun. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days to complete one revolution to the sun. It supports life. It has one moon. It covers its whole Earth crust. From the whole Earth crust, 71% is covered with water. It consists of oceans, continents and atmosphere. That's why it supports life, and it has a protective layer of ozone which protects the Earth from the harmful rays of the sun. Okay, so students, I hope you have understood. So other planets we will discuss in our next video. Till then, watch and listen it carefully. After watching it, if any doubt is raising, so please ask to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.